I apologize, folks. I had to get that mercy brake on off there. It wasn't no joke. These threes right here. Make sure your ratchet work. 13 millimeter if you're going with the small drive, but they're 1/2 too though. And the tightest one is this one up right up there. That's the tightest one to get to. But everything else is one right there. And right back there behind that cord right there. This one. But we're almost there. That's the cord right there. Gotta get that out of there. I wish my pause button would act right. Basically making me restart a video when I pause it. So I have to figure that out. Nose are 10 millimeters. In my description, I'm gonna put all this. I'm gonna copy and paste all the same words, man. Keep twisting and get this off of here. Get this cord out. This whole thing comes off of here, I believe. Oh, actually it don't. Nope. Just gotta pull that out. Oh, okay. So why on the... Oh, that's... Here comes the juice part. That buddy is way down there. Oh, okay, there it is. I don't know if y'all can really see this too much. Find it on here. Look like a array of wires, but it's right back there. Yep, that little thing right there. Yep, that right there. Outside of the firewall. But we get lucky. Make sure you have the right tools, please. All I need is some long needle nose. I need some long wire cutters. Just squeeze that and pull it. I kind of took on this task the last minute. So, we're back. I had to end up taking out the air filter. No. nice pretty old thing. You know, that goes back in there like that, just so y'all know. 4 Phillips screws. They usually twist off depending on which model you have. Another 10. That timing chain wrench as a handheld ratchet, perfect. And then we move this out the way, pull that over a little bit. Don't pull it too much because you'll knock it out into the leaks. Then you get to one of these. Again, this famous little clamps. I'm very serious about not having the right tools to do things. Some stuff is just already experienced. You know, that capitalism that they can't take away. You can always win with it. I'm gonna have a lot of training courses going on real soon. And these videos are free coverage beforehand. See what we can do. Yeah. Oh, it's that easy. And it's ready to come out. Now, if you want to get the other one in there easier, you could take all this off and tape them together and run the new one through. Because once you pull, you pull. Because you got to get that new one through all these wires. So what do you think I'm going to see if I can do? Can y'all see that hole down there now? Yeah, baby. Y'all, this is going to work out perfect. Y'all ever thought about if y'all could YouTube your whole life from the time you was born and watch you learn this stuff, and then start doing it yourself? See, I pulled it out. That little nub that was in that hole. Excuse me, emergency brake. You know? Pull it out just enough to get right there to it. No, there's no point in starting a new wire. We're gonna cut right on that wire. Keep on snipping. We can just pull out the wire. That works even better. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. You know what happened if you pull that in there and you couldn't get to it? You know how much easier I just made this? Oh. Thank God for having a brain and able to think. You can do anything you want to do with your brain. Some people just don't think. So we ran out of black tape, but we got some Scotch tape. We're gonna make it work. I wish I would have got that thing to hold the phone up. Would have been lovely right now.